Okay, this is a beautiful and well-made all stainless steel espresso machine. We are making a cappuccino. We are using the it works pretty well. The milk is really boiling. And there is your coffee. That's the power button that you turn on and off. Then this one is to make one coffee. This one is to make the 2 cups of coffee. And this is to use the steam nozzle. So you just touch whatever you need. This part here, you can use it to put your coffee cups after you finish drinking your coffee. That is the water tank. You need to remove this before you start using it. If not, it's not gonna work, so keep that in mind. It's removable, so you can clean it, and then you open it from here and put the water in there. Nice and beautiful espresso machine.
Not vegetarians, so having access to bugs and insects and getting the fresh grass really increases the chlorophyll in their diet and gives us beautiful dark yolked eggs that are nutritionally dense and delicious.
Step 7. I already did all the other stuff, including sauces. The only relief is in the water with the morning coffee. Right, Violet? Hey, Violet. Hi, Chupava. Hi, Chupava.
mira el tablero de frente, estamos tratando de prenderla. Ahí prendió, se demora, bueno. Como que le gusta la cámara. It probably has a chemical smell to it as well.